Hello everyone, welcome to CBSE Maths. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 8.4 second main question. In the second main question, we need to express all t ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Let's first express cos A in terms of secant A. We know that the sec is the reciprocal of cos. So cos A is equals, we can write it as 1 by secant A. So in this way we can express this cos A in terms of secant A. Next, let's represent sine. We know that sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Then sine square A is equals 1 minus cos square A. Let's find out the square root of sine square A. Then that is sine A is equals square root of 1 minus cos square A. Now we have the value of cos A, which is 1 by secant A. Let's replace this cos square A by 1 by secant A whole square. Then we have square root of 1 minus 1 by secant A whole square. Further, we can write it as square root of 1 minus 1 square divided by secant square A, which is equals to square root of 1 minus the value of 1 square is 1 whole divided by secant square A. Let's find the LCM of this 1 and secant square A, which is secant square A. So 1 secant square A is A and secant square A 1 are, which is equals to square root of secant square A minus 1 whole divided by LCM secant square A. We have the square root of secant square A, which is secant A. So we can write sine A is equals to square root of secant square A minus 1 whole divided by the square root of secant square A is secant A. So let's write that at here. So it is the value of sine A in terms of secant A. Now let's represent tan A in terms of secant A. We know that tan A is equals to, let's write the value of tan A. We know that tan A is equals to sine A by cos A. We just know the value of sine A is square root of secant square A minus 1 whole divided by secant A whole divided by the value of cos A is 1 by secant A. By simplifying this, we can write square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A into that 1 by secant A becomes secant A divided by 1. Now secant A get cancelled. At last we have tan A is equals to square root of secant square A minus 1. So this is the representation of secant A. Then let's represent cot A. We know that cot A is equals to 1 by tan A. So we can write this cot A as cot A is equals to 1 divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. The value of tan A is secant square A minus 1. So the value of cot A is 1 divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. At last we have left cosec A. Let's represent that cosec A in terms of secant A by writing that in terms of secant A. We can write, we know that cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. So cosec A is equals 1 divided by, we have the value of sin A, we just found the value of sin A, which is square root of secant square A minus 1 whole divided by secant A. Let's substitute the value of this sin A at here. Then we have 1 divided by square root of secant square A minus 1 whole divided by secant A. Further simplification gives us 1 into secant A divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. 1 into secant A gives us secant A whole divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. It is the value of cosec A in terms of secant A. In this way, we can express all the t ratios in terms of secant A. I hope you all got this problem. Thank you for watching the video.